Good morning, students. I gave you the homework. I hope all of you have done well. Everything should be right, yours correct answers you might have done. Okay, once more you check it along with your answers. First one, I gave you the farmer plowed the field. The field was plowed by the farmer. Then he donates blood. Blood is donated by him. Then the children have completed their homework. I told you have and has means you have to use the been, isn't it? So their homework has been completed by the children. Then this is your past tense. She was eating an orange. An orange was being eaten by her. Because eating is used, ing being form should be used. Ing continues, so you have to use being plus past participle. So it has been used. Okay. Then he has stolen the watch. The watch has been stolen. Has is your singular, though it is third person singular. So we have used here has. The watch also been your third person singular. So we have used the same only. The watch has been stolen by him. Now we will learn today about your conversion from active voice to passive voice. Okay. That also last time I taught you about your tenses, isn't it? How to convert from active to passive in tenses, different tenses. Present tense, past participle and past continuous, isn't it? Those forms I taught. Now we will learn according to yours these different kinds of sentences. First one we know 4 types of sentences are there. Assertive or declarative, imperative sentences, then interrogative sentence, then exclamatory sentence. Certain rules to be followed to change this voice from active to passive voice in each sentence. Okay. First we will learn about declarative sentence. Rule 1. If a transitive verb has 2 objects, any of the 2 objects may become the subject in the passive voice. See the example. I taught her cooking. I taught. I is your subject. Then your main verb is yours. Taught. Then comes yours. Object is her. Again one more object also, cooking. Isn't it? 2 objects here. So how it has to be changed? Though she was taught cooking by me. Because I taught is your simple past. So she, when that was her, will change it yours proper pronoun. So when we are changing possessive to pronoun continuous, then pronoun when we are changing, then we have to write here this her will be yours she. She was taught, because was we have to use, it is in your past tense, so we are using she was. Then past participle V3 form. She was taught. What is that? Cooking by me. Understanding? Another way also we can write cooking was taught to her by me. Okay. Then number 2, rule 2. When a prepositional verb is changed from active to passive voice, the preposition should not be dropped. We should not give up the preposition. Okay. Then active voice to passive voice. See the example. They laughed at a poor man. Okay. So what is that yours? Passive voice we change. A poor man was laughed at by them. If you are leaving at, then the answer will be yours wrong. Okay. So don't drop this at preposition. So rule 3. To change auxiliary verbs from active to passive voice, add be along with the past participle to the verb. What is this? Add be form means along with the past participle always we are using. So see this. Mona can do this sum. Okay. Then this sum is your subject. Mona is subject. So this sum should be yours brought first. Isn't it? Massive. So the sum can also, same model we are using. This sum can be done. Be form you have used. Can be done by Mona. Okay. So be form we have used along with your past participle. Be form along with your past participle. Then rule 4. Sometimes a transitive verb gives the positive sense. It is called a quasi-passive voice. It may be changed in the passive form as how it will be. The cloth feels rough. Okay. When we are changing some transitive verb, give the passive sense we are getting. Passive voice, just like somebody is doing. Such a way we will get the cloth feels rough means we have to write this passive form. The cloth is rough when it is felt. Okay. We have used some conjunctions also in this. Okay. So this is yours. So that one more example you see. Sugar tastes sweet. So when we are using this way, we can write sugar is sweet when tasted. Is that clear? Now rule 5. Impersonal use. What is that? Means it is the passive voice which offers a useful way of expressing something impersonally. Means what the person may not do himself or herself. Person is not doing. Subject is not doing. Something we are expecting like that. You see that when we are changing this, we have to convert in this way. If it is given, it is hoped that, means we have to use for that. When we are changing into passive voice, people hope that. Okay. If it is given past tense also, simple past, but we have to use this as a simple present only. Are you saying no? It is hoped that. Is given to simple present, so people hope that. Okay. Then it is said that. Again, same for that we have to use residents say that, otherwise people say that. Okay. Again, same it is believed that. For that we have to use people believe that. So we can write the patients believe that also we can write. Okay. For this to change that is yours about declarative sentence. Now we will learn about imperative sentence. Okay. What is that imperative sentence? To change imperative sentence from active to passive voice, let and be is used if the sentence to remain imperative, otherwise should be used. Should be also we can use. But let be should not be used together. Remember that. Let be should not be used together but should be used together. Okay. So you see when we are using the imperative sentence means what? Command, order, request, isn't it? So active voice when we are using close the window. Here we are commanding. So passive voice what we have to? Let the window be closed. Are you seeing no? Let we have used as well as we have used the be form. But not together. The subject will be in between. Your subject will be used the window, isn't it? So next active voice love the animals. The same we can write. The animals should be loved. Okay. How we have used should be and let be, all of you understood, I think so. Next, if transitive verbs are used, the change of imperative sentences into passive voice is carried out in the following manner. How it will be? Do it just now. Then passive voice, you are ordered to do it just now. Are you understanding transitive verbs? Then third point, you have to write this interrogative. That is declarative sentence is over. Then yours this one imperative sentence is over. Now we have to come to interrogative question mark, isn't it? So question mark you see. In case of interrogative sentences, do, does, did becomes is, are, was, were. And have plus a past participle becomes have. Will come into have been plus past participle. See that? Do you stitch the shirt? Shirt is belong to your singular. So we are using is. Is the shirt stitched by you? Question mark should be put. Are you understanding now? Question mark we have to use. Otherwise it will be wrong. Then because it belong to yours interrogative sentence. Okay. Then active voice. Did they solve the puzzle? Did belong to past tense. So we have to use the was. Was the puzzle solved by them? Then same yours perfect. Have they done their homework? Because have is yours, they belong to plural form. So we have used have. But homework belong to your singular. So we are using has. Has the homework has been done by them. Okay. Today up to this much. Try to practice these all. Thank you.